Hi everybody, welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. You still have a few days left to get your name put into a drawing for a gift basket when you renew your library card or you get a new one. You also have a week to get your overdue fines waived in exchange for donations of dog or cat food. All donated items will be given to the City of Rogers Animal Shelter. For all the details, follow the link in the video description. There's still time to participate in Operation Reboot Drive. Just bring your filled blessing bag to the library and place it in the donation box. Don't forget to get your tickets for Top Chef Northwest Arkansas 2023, hosted by the Rogers Public Library Foundation. It's on Friday, October 27th at 6:30 at Metro Appliances and More. Just go to the Rogers Public Library Foundation website for more information. For the adults, we have Taste of Honey. Calm and Confidence will be here on September 30th from 2 to 4 to share about honey bee basics. The October Take It Make It kit is Sandpaper Iron-ons. Isn't this cute? You can watch the how-to video on YouTube after October 1st. Our next Achieve It will be about family law, and it's on Wednesday, October 4th from 5:30 to 6:30. We're also having a free cooking school October 4th, 11th, 18th, and 25th from 10 to 1. And this is presented by Expanded Food and Nutrition Education Program. Registration is required, and you need to register by October 2nd. In the Teens Department, your Teen DIY for Monday, September 25th, is going to be cross-stitching. And on October 2nd, they will be making paper pumpkins out of old books. There will be a teen escape room on Thursday, September 28th from 6 to 8, and Storytelling 101 for teens on Saturday, October 7th from 2 to 4. Children's has programs almost every day for all age groups. Some of those are Family Storytime on Mondays from 6:30 to 7:30, Full Steam Ahead Mechanical Madness on Tuesday from 4 to 5, Poetry Storytime on Wednesdays from 4 to 5, Babies and Bubbles on Thursdays from 10 to 11, and then there's Quill Creations, which is a virtual program on Saturdays starting at 10 a.m. And here's a project that you can do if you come to Catch 'em All at the library on Mondays from 4 to 5. Isn't he cute? Got a little tea candle on the inside. So come check these all out, okay? Well, that's it for now. So stay safe and have another wonderful couple of weeks. Bye.